Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool, amazing products right here, as you can see. Obviously this is not for me, but I have a very special guest today that's going to be testing out and show you guys what is on here and how to use it. But this one right here is a UV LED nail lamp that you can use to help dry off your nail after putting on these nail polish and everything. So here is basically the device right here. So there's a timer right here to show you guys a countdown once you guys press the second on here. Kind of weird design because it has the numbers on this side, so you guys can't see the numbers on this side, but it does work. They have the brand logo right here, but it basically has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99 seconds right here. There's a low heat mode, double power mode right here, and all you guys need to do is put your hand in here and turns on automatically. And here are all the other nail polish right here that my special guest right here will introduce and explain what each one is.
Okay guys, so with this SUNUV lamp, you need 3 different types of gel nail polish. The first one is Gellen, second one is Gelish Dynamic Dual, third one is D&D. So the first one, I'll be talking about the foundation and top it off Dynamic Dual. So typically when you want to paint gel nail polish, you want to apply the foundation, which is the base of the nail, and after you apply this one coat, you're going to put your hand in here for 60 seconds. After it's done drying, then you're going to apply the D&D nail polish, which is this one, and you're going to apply 2 coats, and every time when you apply 1 coat, you're going to put 120 seconds into the SUNUV, so you would just tap on 60 seconds twice each time. Once you're done with applying this on your nails, you want to, spice it up a little bit. So I end up getting glitter from Gellen, and so as you can see, just to give you an example, this one is like a pink color of glitter, and this is what I'm going to put on my ring finger versus all my other fingers. I'm going to put the green. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. This is gold glitter. This one is red glitter. This one is blue glitter. And just to let you guys know, so for the D&D, there's actually 2 types of nail polish. This one specifically is for gel nail polish. This one is the normal kind. So this one does not require the SUNUV lamp at all. Just to show you guys the consistency of this, this is what it looks like. And obviously for top it off and foundation, they're both clear coat, but I'll show you guys anyways.
So this is the first step, right?
Yes. You want to apply the foundation or base onto the nails. So make sure I don't have any on the creases of my nails. And then I'm just going to slide it in. And then I'm going to tap 60 seconds. So you typically want to apply 60 seconds for foundation and for top it off, but when you apply for the color nail polish or the glitter nail polish, that has to be 120 seconds. So you press the 60-second button twice.
Alright, so it's almost done.
Ta-da! This is what it should look like. And now it's ready to apply the color nail polish.
This is the hard work of beauty.
Beauty is pain. Okay, so that's just the first coat, and I'm gonna keep on doing that for all my fingers.
Actually, she's doing the second layer now.
First layer.
Or still first layer, but
Yes.
glitter for one of the special fingers, and then not the middle finger.
No. For the ring finger. The most important finger.
If you guys don't know what she means, waiting for that ring.
Okay, now I'm gonna insert it in. I'm gonna press this twice, so this is the first time.
Okay, so you can't do 2 at the same time?
No.
Okay. So if you look at the inside, it's actually pretty bright in there. To show you guys what it looks like inside.
And I'm gonna press it the second time.
And there goes 120 seconds.
Okay. That's what it looks like.
So beautiful, right?
But now I'm gonna add a second coat.
Second coating. So she's basically repeating the first step that she did, just add another coating on top, and then she's gonna put it back into the nail dryer herself. Alright, so she just finished her second coating. Now she's gonna put it back in.
Also for 120 seconds, so 60 seconds twice.
This is not the final result yet, but look at how pretty it is. Especially that one. It's like standing out, so you know what to do right here. Alright, next step.
Last step.
Last step.
Actually, no. Second to last step.
Second to last step.
Yeah, so now we're gonna use to top it off. And we're just gonna paint one layer onto each nail.
And this the coating, or what's this?
This is the coating to ensure that it will be shiny.
She's doing this for all 5.
10.
Well, 5 for now, and then 10 on the other side. You guys are only gonna be seeing 5.
Slide it in. 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
So typically the final step, once you're done, there's some residue that's on the nail. So you want to remove that with either acetone or isopropyl alcohol. In this case, I have isopropyl alcohol. So I'm going to dab it, and then I'm gonna wipe off the residue on the nail. And then once you let it dry, that's pretty much it. Ta-da!
Alright, so now that we did a quick unboxing or like quick test of the product itself and how to actually use each one of these products here, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not.
Of course, it's definitely worth it. I've actually, for all these nail polishes, I've used this probably 5 times so far, and it's still a good amount. So just to give you guys an example, these glitter nail polish, like it has 8 milliliter to 0.27 ounces. And then for this one, 15 milliliter. I believe that the gelish Top It Off and the foundation Dynamic Duo will probably last you guys for a long time. Same goes for the D&D as well. D&D is currently 15 milliliters. But yeah, it's totally worth it. I love it. I don't need to go to nail polish, nail shop anymore. So this is definitely helpful.
But she still wants to go there, definitely, because she wants to get pampered.
I do, yeah. But unfortunately, because of the pandemic going on, this will suffice.
And then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have